okay, p is equal to ampersand of m. This I have write assignedly. Now what is wrong with this line? This is wrong with this line. When I do printf and I write here star d, ampersand d means integer value, but p is an address. I cannot directly dereference. So I need to take care of these things while doing pointers. Okay. So what I do, this is the right notation, int m star p, and if I do p is equal to ampersand of m. So now again this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Now here I was saying that p is ampersand m in this line was okay, but now here I am saying p is equal to ampersand. This is not okay. Why not? See, the order of initialization. In int I have written m then p star p, and in upper I have written star p then m. So that is the difference, how they are initialized. See, here it is not initialized. It has to be initialized value, then it will be assigned to a pointer. So these I need to take care. Okay, so in closing I will be showing a simple this Blinky video that will be clearing your doubts, and that you points you need to remember about the pointers. So what are these 2 points? Let's see.
Hey Binky, wake up. It's time for pointer fun.
What's that? Learn about pointers? Oh, goody!
Well, to get started, I guess we're going to need a couple pointers.
Okay, this code allocates 2 pointers which can point to integers.
Okay, well, I see the 2 pointers, but they don't seem to be pointing to anything.
That's right. Initially, pointers don't point to anything. The things they point to are called pointees, and setting them up's a separate step.
Oh, right, I knew that. The pointees are separate. So, how do you allocate a pointee?
Okay, well, this code allocates a new integer pointee, and this part sets x to point to it.
Hey, that looks better. So make it do something.
Okay, I'll dereference the pointer x to store the number 42 into its pointee. For this trick, I'll need my magic wand of dereferencing.
Your magic wand of dereferencing? That's great.
This is what the code looks like. I'll just set up the number and...
Hey, look, there it goes. So doing a dereference on x follows the arrow to access its pointee, in this case to store 42 in there. Hey, try using it to store the number 13 through the other pointer, y.
Okay, I'll just go over here to y and get the number 13 set up, and then take the wand of dereferencing and just... Whoa!
Oh, hey, that didn't work. Say, Binky, I don't think dereferencing y is a good idea, because, setting up the pointee is a separate step, and I don't think we ever did it.
Good point.
Yeah, we allocated the pointer y, but we never set it to point to a pointee.
Very observant.
Hey, you're looking good there, Binky. Can you fix it so that y points to the same pointee as x?
Sure, I'll use my magic wand of pointer assignment.
Is that going to be a problem like before?
No, this doesn't touch the pointees. It just changes one pointer to point to the same thing as another.
Oh, I see. Now y points to the same place as x. So wait, now y is fixed. It has a pointee. So you can try the wand of dereferencing again to send the 13 over.
Okay, here goes.
Hey, look at that. Now dereferencing works on y. And because the pointers are sharing that one pointee, they both see the 13.
Yeah, sharing, whatever. So, are we gonna switch places now?
Oh, look, we're out of time. But just remember the 3 pointer rules. Number 1, the basic structure is that you have a pointer, and it points over to a pointee. But the pointer and pointee are separate, and the common error is to set up a pointer, but to forget to give it a pointee. Number 2, pointer dereferencing starts at the pointer and follows its arrow over to access its pointee. As we all know, this only works if there is a pointee, which kind of gets back to rule number 1. Number 3, pointer assignment takes one pointer and changes it to point to the same pointee as another pointer. So after the assignment, the 2 pointers will point to the same pointee. Sometimes that's called sharing. And that's all there is to it, really. Bye-bye now.
Okay, so thank you everyone. If you remember these last three points, you will be able to easily handle the pointers. So thank you. If you need to contact, you can contact.